morning, WNDU.
Yeah, this is Joshua Hayes. I was calling in regards to a story you guys wrote about me.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Oh, yes, now I can.
Okay, yeah, this is Joshua Hayes. I was calling in regards to a story you guys wrote about me the other day.
Okay, it's regarding a story?
Right.
Okay, I'm going to transfer you to the newsroom.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
What's that?
Yeah, this is Joshua Hayes, man. I'm calling in regards to a story you guys wrote about me.
Okay.
It was a Walkeroosa man got convicted of practicing law without a license.
Mhm.
Yeah, I wasn't charged with that, man.
Okay. What were you charged with?
I was charged with, I can give you the IC code too, but the charge is engaging in the practice without being admitted. There is no charge in the state of Indiana for practicing law without a license. And you guys got to do something to fix that, or else I'm going to have to file a lawsuit. Because, like, everybody on Facebook, the page got all kinds of comments. I mean, that's not even what I'm charged with. I wasn't even charged with that.
Is there a way to reach you?
Yeah, you can reach me. Yeah, not at this number. This is on my Google. 574-320-2608.
Okay. Let me see what I can find out for you.
All right, appreciate that, man.
All right, no problem.
I have the IC code and everything if you want it. So
go ahead. Yes, please.
The IC code is, well, I got my file right here. You can look this up with Indiana. And I'd really like to do a supplemental story on that too, so you guys get my side of the story, but I mean, that's understandable if you don't want to do that.
We might be interested in that. I need to look and see where these charges came from, because, I mean, as detailed as we said that, I can't believe we made those up. So I'm going to put that in.
Yeah, because, see, that was the same problem that I charged. See, I filed a motion to dismiss on the charge back in October because the prosecutor filed the charges wrong.
Oh, okay.
And I have the court order where the prosecutor was told by the judge to amend them charges. Now I'm going to beat this on appeal. See, just like he told you guys that I was being charged with practicing the law without, they never properly charged me, man. They never read me my rights. They never did shit they was supposed to do, man. And, you know, yeah, they wanted to try. You know, I thanked them on your page and shit, the jury and the court, for honoring my Constitution and stuff, but I mean, the jury wasn't there for all the hearings before that. They denied me 2 jury trials. Man, that was my 3rd request for a jury trial. That court tried to deny me 3 times my right to a jury trial. I got it all in writing, black and white, man.
Okay. I'm sure that's where it came from, because, I mean, like I said, we wouldn't have made that up, that detailed of information.
Well, yeah.
Let me look and see what I got from the prosecutor's office. What's that number, by the way? Do you have that, the IC number?
Yeah, I'm looking for my charging information is, man, this Ford is like 3 inches thick, man. For a B misdemeanor, man, I thought it was really ridiculous. IC code is IC 3343, well, it's 33-43-2-1. It's engaging in the practice without being admitted. See, they can't charge you with a charge like that because it's so vague and ambiguous. You can make all kinds of defenses against that, and I can say all types of stuff to the jury. Engaging in what practice? Admitted by who? Nobody can knowingly and willfully violate that law, man. What practice did I engage in? What practice is it illegal to engage in? Without being admitted by who? The health department, the Supreme Court? And I mean, what am I doing? What am I cutting hair? Am I doing landscaping? What practice have I engaged in? I mean, the charge is bullshit from the start, man, and it's unconstitutional. from the start. Because no man of reasonable intelligence can differentiate from that, and they can go about knowingly say, hey, I'm going to knowingly do this and violate this law. Nobody can understand what that says. That would be like if they said, man, all cannabis is illegal. But then they didn't tell you that cannabis is possessed in a marijuana plant. And so everybody's going around growing cannabis and they're just popping up on you, or they're growing marijuana and they're arresting you for cannabis when ain't nobody told you that it's illegal to grow, that cannabis is in the marijuana plant, so it's illegal to grow. See, and the feds say the law's got to be written so that an intelligent man of average intelligence can tell that the action that they're going about is illegal, and that there is a way that you can prove that they knowingly did it, because here they published the law, and here's where it's publicly posted that says you can't do this. And it's our responsibility as citizens to know the law. But when a law comes up like engaging in the practice by a person not admitted, fuck, what practice am I not allowed to engage in without being admitted by who first? You know what I mean? And you can't go on record and you can't publicly put charges out there like that because the people won't understand that shit. So you have to kind of summarize and say, well, he was practicing law without a license. But the fact is, that's not a charge. The state of Indiana don't give licenses. You can call the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court don't give you a license to practice law, and they give you a certificate of certification. No, I've taken my oath of attorneys. You know?
All right. Let me look into it. We'll be back in touch.
All right. Thanks, man.
All right. Thanks, sir.